Hello everybody, welcome to the Hacienda. Ribbit here. Glad you could join me again. It's a pretty cool overcast day and we're supposed to get thunderstorms later on today with possibility of hail. So what better thing to make than the nice belly warming nourishing soup. Yes, we're making Hungarian cabbage soup, Kaposta Foselek. This comes out of this cookbook, Culinaria Hungary. And this cookbook features all kinds of Foseleks. Now, Foselek, depending on where you go to get a translation, either means vegetable or soup in Hungarian. And of course, the type of soup is preceded by the name of the vegetable, in this case, Kaposta, which is cabbage. Okay. Now, the interesting thing about Foseleks is that with the exception of onion and garlic, there's typically single vegetable soups. So you have your cabbage soup, your kale soup, your lentil soup, your green bean soup, with the exception of one which is a completely garden full of vegetable kaposta, and I can't even pronounce that mouthful. Okay, so I like lettuce. I like cabbage, so we're going with the cabbage. Easy peasy ingredients. Okay, we're going to take 2-3 chicken bouillon cubes. We've got some vegetable base. Apparently this is very important and you need it, so I got it. We got caraway seeds, which are critical for this particular Foselek to get the flavor. Okay, we got the cabbage. We got hot paprika. I got some sea salt here, black pepper, sour cream, and milk. Now, Foseleks are really belly-warming, nourishing soups, and they're thick. Okay, so let me do the prep work, and then join me, and I'll show you how it's done. All right, I got some beautiful Ukrainian sunflower oil here, and we're going to put about 3-4 tablespoons, just enough to coat the bottom of a pan. Okay, that's good. Now we're going to get it hot. Right, and to the hot oil, we're going to add 1 chopped onion. And we're going to saute that until the onion starts getting translucent and soft. So here we go. We ended up simmering this for about 45 minutes, and I just turned off the heat here recently, so it's not bubbling anymore. And there's Dak the cat in the background. You can tell he wants some. It smells really good. Mrs. Rivet walked by and she said, "Oh, this smells really Hungarian." Must have been the paprika. Oh yeah. Now what I've got here is 3 tablespoons of flour that I mixed in with 12 ounces of sour cream, and I've left on the counter to kind of come up to room temperature for the last half hour. And we're going to add this, and this is going to be the thickener for the soup. I am not going to make a regular butter and flour roux or oil and flour roux. I'm going to use this. So we're going to combine this in, and join me when it's mixed fully. Okay, here we have it. A bowl of steaming goodness. Kaposta Foselek. Yes, that's it. Look at that steam coming out of there. Oh my goodness, deliciousness. Now what we're going to do is garnish it with a little bit of parsley. Yep, just like that. Oh my. The national soup of Hungary. Oh, it smells absolutely Hungarian and delicious. Nice pieces of vegetable in there. I'm going to try the sauce first. Oh my goodness. And I want to point out that I never did add any more salt. The bouillon cubes and the veg paste were plenty. So be aware of that. And you can see that there's no salt added in the recipe list. Now let's try a little bit here with the vegetables in there. I got onions and cabbage. Oh yeah. What a beautiful soup. And it's not that thick. It's not too thick. Now, I know I showed milk at the beginning of the video. That was insurance in case you put too much roux in the soup and it gets too thick. You just cut it down with a little bit of milk. But I didn't have to. This came out perfect. This is exactly how I wanted it to come out. And you can make it a little bit thicker if you want to. I mean, there's many variations. But it was great. Hey, thanks for watching, people. And I'm going to post another recipe up there in the iCard of another Hungarian dish that I made. And y'all take care. Bye-bye.